FBI Director James Comey has pleaded not guilty to 2 felony charges for allegedly lying to Congress and obstructing an investigative proceeding before Congress. His arraignment took place at a federal courthouse outside D.C. today. Comey was indicted by a grand jury last month, though prosecutors face an uphill battle as they build this case. ABC's Christian Cordero is in Washington.
Today, former FBI Director James Comey entered a Virginia courthouse as a defendant. His family this morning, waiting in line for a seat inside, included his daughter, fired by the Trump administration as a federal prosecutor in New York, and his son-in-law, who quit as a federal prosecutor from the very office bringing this case against Comey. Comey faces 2 felony counts, making a false statement to Congress and obstruction of an investigative proceeding before Congress. The charges stem from a September 2020 congressional hearing about Russian interference in the 2016 election.
Did you open an investigation?
I don't know what that refers to. As I said earlier, that does not ring any bells with me when I read that.
Comey today pleaded not guilty. In a video statement posted after a grand jury indicted him last month, Comey suggested he's being directly targeted by President Trump.
My heart is broken for the Department of Justice, but I have great confidence in the federal judicial system, and I'm innocent. So let's have a trial and keep the faith.
Trump has publicly called for the Department of Justice to prosecute Comey. He handpicked the attorney prosecuting this case and fired her predecessor after he failed to pursue charges against another perceived political enemy. Yesterday, Attorney General Pam Bondi was pressed about the president's influence over the department in reference to a September social media post where he urged the AG do more.
Do you consider that a directive to the Justice Department?
Senator Klobuchar, President Trump is the most transparent president in American history, and I don't think he said anything that he hasn't said for years.
In recent weeks, the president has tried to separate himself from the case.
It's not revenge, it's also about the fact that you can't let this go on.
Sources tell ABC News federal prosecutors found a central witness in this case to be, quote, problematic because his testimony directly contradicts one of the case's main arguments against Comey. Career DOJ prosecutors last month recommended the office not move forward with charges. Trump's handpicked attorney did so anyways. The trial is set to start on January 5th. Christian Cordero, ABC News, Washington.